Have you ever wondered how billionaires like Bill Gates think about money? What principles guide one of the richest men in the world when it comes to building wealth and success? Bill Gates isn't just known for Microsoft. His perspective on money, innovation, and value has inspired millions around the globe. In this video, we'll uncover the key ideas and habits that shaped his financial philosophy. From early entrepreneurship to philanthropy, we'll explore how Gates' mindset can be applied to your own journey. Ready to discover how to make money the Bill Gates way? Bill Gates began his journey with an obsession for problem solving. Before he earned his first million, he focused on creating solutions that mattered. He believed that money should be a result, not the goal. While most people chase profits, Gates chased impact. By identifying real problems and designing software to make life easier, he attracted success naturally. This principle teaches that wealth follows value creation. If your work makes a difference, financial rewards become a byproduct, not the primary pursuit. Another cornerstone of Gates' approach is continuous learning. He reads extensively and treats knowledge as compound interest for the mind. His belief that curiosity fuels opportunity has shaped his ability to spot emerging trends early. Instead of following existing markets, Gates analyzed technology's future. This insight helped him pioneer the personal computer revolution. For anyone aspiring to make money, his example shows that staying intellectually hungry can open doors that pure ambition alone cannot unlock. Risk management also plays a central role in Gates' story. While he took bold steps, he did so with preparation and strategy. Gates didn't gamble blindly, he calculated outcomes. For instance, leaving Harvard was risky, but he had already secured a major software contract. This balance between courage and caution defines smart entrepreneurship. The lesson here is not to avoid risk entirely, but to take informed risks where potential rewards justify the uncertainty, thereby maximizing both learning and opportunity. Teamwork and leadership shaped Gates' success equally. He often credits his early partnership with Paul Allen as essential. Gates surrounded himself with people who were not just talented, but shared his passion for technology. By empowering others, he multiplied his potential. His leadership style combined high expectations with trust, fostering innovation within Microsoft. This collaboration model underscores that making money is rarely a solo endeavor. Collective intelligence amplifies creativity and efficiency, accelerating financial growth sustainably. Discipline and time management are other key ingredients. Gates was known for his intense work ethic, sometimes working long nights perfecting code. Yet, he structured his efforts strategically. Instead of spreading energy across many projects, he focused deeply on a few priorities. This principle of concentrated effort helps turn good ideas into great achievements. Success doesn't come from endless hustle, but from disciplined direction. By learning where to invest time and energy, anyone can enhance productivity and financial outcomes. Finally, Gates emphasizes adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, flexibility becomes a survival skill. Microsoft's evolution from software to cloud computing illustrates this. Gates understood that clinging to outdated models limits progress. Instead, he encouraged a culture ready to pivot when necessary. Adaptability allows businesses to seize new opportunities rather than fear disruption. For personal finances, this mindset teaches us to stay alert, continuously reassess strategies, and embrace innovation instead of resisting it. Bill Gates' philosophy extends beyond business. It's about long-term thinking. He often says most people overestimate what they can do in a year, but underestimate what they can achieve in 10. Building wealth, therefore, demands patience and consistency. Gates' early decisions, from developing software to investing in research, reflect his commitment to sustained progress. This lesson encourages us to think in decades, not days. Long-term vision, combined with persistence, transforms short bursts of effort into lasting financial growth and security. Innovation remains a driving force in Gates' perspective on making money. He insists that innovation isn't only about technology, but about improving systems. His investments in clean energy and health solutions show that solving big problems can generate both profit and progress. This approach inspires entrepreneurs to focus on creating future-oriented businesses that add societal value. Innovation that benefits humanity not only earns revenue, but also builds a lasting legacy, proving that the best kind of wealth improves the world around us. Philanthropy also plays an essential role in Gates' relationship with money. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, he has shown that wealth is most meaningful when shared. Giving back creates balance, purpose, and trust. For Gates, money is a tool for impact, not a symbol of power. This principle reminds us that generosity often fuels greater prosperity. By contributing to causes that matter, individuals build reputations, relationships, and opportunities that extend far beyond financial gain alone. Resilience is another cornerstone of Gates' wisdom. Despite enormous success, he faced countless challenges, from legal battles to technological failures. Instead of being discouraged, he viewed setbacks as lessons. Gates often highlights that failure refines vision. Embracing mistakes with humility strengthens character and decision-making. Anyone seeking wealth must develop emotional endurance, the ability to recover and adapt. True financial success, in Gates' view, is as much about mental resilience as it is about economic intelligence. Gates also stresses the power of mentorship. Throughout his career, he learned from great minds and shared knowledge freely. Mentorship accelerates growth by connecting you to others' experiences. Whether you're a student, employee, or entrepreneur, finding mentors provides shortcuts to wisdom and perspective. Gates' openness to advice helped him navigate complex decisions effectively. In turn, he became a mentor to countless innovators. This cycle of learning and teaching shows that prosperity thrives in communities of shared growth and guidance. Lastly, Gates advocates for balance between work and life. Though driven by ambition, he acknowledges that health, family, and rest are essential for sustained performance. Overworking leads to burnout, which undermines creativity and judgment. Gates learned to delegate and trust his teams, allowing him to focus on strategic thinking and personal well-being. This principle highlights that wealth isn't just financial, it's holistic. True success includes harmony between professional achievements and personal fulfillment, creating a more meaningful form of prosperity. Bill Gates' approach to making money isn't about luck or privilege, it's about mindset. His journey teaches that wealth grows from value creation, learning, resilience, and purpose. By focusing on innovation, collaboration, and adaptability, he built not only a company, but an enduring philosophy of intelligent growth. His lessons reveal that the smartest investments are those made in knowledge, people, and long-term goals. In essence, making money the Bill Gates way is about transforming effort into impact. It's a path that rewards patience, curiosity, and integrity. Whether you're launching a business or improving your personal finances, Gates' insights remind us that true success combines wisdom with generosity, ambition with empathy, and profit with purpose. And that's how you can make money, inspired by the timeless wisdom of Bill Gates. If you enjoyed learning these powerful lessons, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of Gates' principles resonated with you most? I'd love to hear your perspective. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep creating your own path to success.